how to use Alipay Hong Kong wallet. So if you want to use Alipay Hong Kong wallet, you can pay at merchants by scanning their QR code or by showing your payment code. So what you do is you just launch the Alipay application, and after you log in, from the top left you can see the scan button. So if you're going to a certain merchant, you're trying to pay something, you can have the QR code displayed and you can start and scan the QR code to be able to send them the QR code, and you'll be able to scan out the details and you'll be able to pay them. So this is the first way, to just simply scan the QR code. The second is you can tap on this pay or receive option from here directly to basically make a vendor payment. You want to activate a payment code, or you can go to transfer option to transfer to another Alipay account or to transfer to bank, whichever is much more convenient for you. And this way you will be able to use Alipay Hong Kong wallet. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.